All right, today we will explain how to use the zoom tool on the page. We have two tools for zooming and one tool for moving the page. For zooming, a very simple tool is provided here. If you want to zoom in on a specific part of the page, activate this tool, then drag the mouse over the desired area of the page and it will zoom in on that area. If you want to zoom in on another area, you need to activate this tool again to be able to zoom. To reset the page view and see the entire page, simply press this button and it will easily return to the default view. The mouse wheel makes zooming much easier. Here, the mouse wheel works smoothly on the Chrome browser in Windows. Users with Windows systems can easily use the mouse wheel in the Chrome browser. However, on macOS, the mouse wheel may not be available, and some people may not be able to use it. In that case, these two tools must be used for zooming. There is another tool here that is used to move the page. We use this tool to move the page while zoomed in, to navigate left or right. For example, if we need to move to the right side of the page, we activate this tool, the cursor changes its shape, and we move to the desired part of the page. However, since it might be inconvenient for users to keep activating and deactivating this tool, we can also use the mouse wheel to move the page. This is done by clicking and holding the mouse wheel, then moving the page. Now, I am pressing and holding the mouse wheel, and I can easily move the page. Currently, the mouse wheel is pressed, and when I release it, the movement stops. The mouse wheel may not be available on some macOS systems. In that case, users can use this tool instead. Additionally, they can use the Control-Click combination to move the page. Simply hold down the Control key, click on the page, and drag it left or right. If this option doesn't work either, then this tool must be used. Finally, if you want to deactivate this tool, you can either click on it again or right-click on an empty area of the page.